In this video, I wanted to show you Mifo S, a pair of truly wireless earphones that have active noise cancelling, IP67 certification, smart touch control, and much more. Let's see if these buds that currently sell for about $150 are worth your attention. The earphones come in quite a premium looking box, and inside it you can find some paperwork, a charging cable, and a few extra ear tips. Having reviewed a bunch of earphones over time, I can say that the Mifo S buds have the most premium charging case. Well, it might be a little bit heavier than usual, but that is because it is made out of metal, a material that gives you a premium feel. It is robust and built to last. Also, all these writings on the case may be subject to personal taste, but I like them as I'm a little bit tired of the earphone charging cases that look pretty much the same. Another highlight, a built-in button that opens up the case, a little yet very convenient feature. Just like the case, the latch is made of metal, which gives me confidence that the opening mechanism won't break anytime soon. The earphones sport this horn-style design, and I found the buds to be very comfortable to wear for hours. I've been using the Mifo S with the ear tips they came with, but make sure to choose the right ones to match the size of your ears. I can barely feel the size and weight as each bud is very compact and it weighs just 3.5 grams. Another highlight, IP67 certification for water and dust resistance. This is a huge upgrade over the traditional IPX7 rating used on the majority of wireless earphones. While I haven't tested the Mifo S's for swimming, I've used them while exercising, in the rain, and even in the shower. I'm really glad that the buds stayed firmly in my ears even when they got wet. When it comes to sound quality on the wireless earphones, you have to have at least these three components: high quality drivers, good seal between your ear and the buds, and last but not least, active noise cancelling. The Mifo S delivers in all of these areas. The sound is detailed and crisp, there is a good separation between mids, highs, and lows, and there is a huge amount of bass, which really surprised me considering such a small size of the earphones. Noise cancelling is very good as it blocks out most of the unwanted ambient sounds. In fact, the Mifo S uses both active and environmental noise cancelling that is achieved through 6 built-in mics. All of this combined with a good seal between the buds and your ears, you can barely hear what's around you. This is one of the best noise-canceling earphones I've ever used. Those 6 mics and CVC tech works really well when it comes to the call quality. Everyone I talked to could hear me clearly as the unwanted sounds were blocked out quite effectively. If you do want to hear what's happening around you, you can switch from strong to the mild noise-canceling mode or turn on transparency mode, which allows you to hear ambient sounds. All of this is done by pressing and holding either earphone for 1 second, and you can hear voice prompts that tell you which mode you're in. The buds have a lot more convenient touch controls. You can play and pause music, control the volume, skip tracks, and answer or end calls. When the earbuds are not paired with any device, you can tap either bud 3 times to enter sleep mode, which is really helpful when you want to rest in a noisy area. I found battery life to be very good. The buds could last me almost 7 hours on a single charge. Put them back into the case and you will get a total music playback of 40 hours. LED indicators inside the case show juice left in the battery. I found Bluetooth 5.2 to assure a reliable connection with my phone, and the range is great. I can easily rest my phone on the desk and walk through the apartment without signal interruptions. Also, the buds paired instantly with each phone I tested them on. In conclusion, the Mifo S truly wireless earphones impressed me a lot. I like the design, the buds are comfortable to wear for hours, noise cancelling is one of the best, the sound quality is great, there are plenty of touch controls that work well in practice, the metal-made case stands out from the crowd, Bluetooth connectivity has been reliable, call quality is good, and the battery lasts a long time. At the time of this video, I can't really name any shortcomings, but I will update the video description if anything changes. For now, the Mifo S can be recommended as an excellent quality, truly wireless earphones which are loaded with features and a sporty design that stands out from the crowd. What do you think about the Mifo S? Would you buy them or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, ask me any questions in the comments section, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.